cause then they all gonna follow you.
I'm a world star, listen world star.
I mean, what kept me motivated is just, you know, I thought out the box. And me and my team, you know, we always thought out the box, so we didn't think about money in the beginning. Cause we got the love for hip hop, you know what I'm saying? Hip hop, you know, it's not about the money, you know. It's first, it's the culture, it's the love of the whole art, the music, the people. You know what I mean? Hip hop is a universal love, you know what I mean? So I knew right away that this is the shit, and I knew that with World Star Hip Hop, I thought everybody is a star of the world of hip hop. We all hip hop stars, so I knew right away this is something big.
I'm a beneficial world star in this game a decade. Bitch, I'm going in.
Follow your dreams, cause then they all gonna follow you.